Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer ETH from Robinhood to MetaMask. So here's another complete walkthrough for sending ETH from Robinhood to MetaMask with extra security tips. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course open your MetaMask, and once you're here, you will either click send or receive. So what you will do is you will look for your Ethereum address, and once you see it, you will just have to copy it. So just click this copy button right here, and then your address has been copied. And then after that, what you will have to do is go to your Robinhood if you already have one. So you do have to make sure first that you already have your Robinhood account before doing this. So, and once you open your Robinhood, you will just have to go to the Ethereum section, and basically what you would have to do is click send, and then you will just have to paste the address like this once you see it. And then what you will do is you will check the first and the last digits, and then you will enter the amount and review network or gas fees. Confirm it and complete any verification code Robinhood sends to you. And after that, you will have to monitor your MetaMask, and then the ETH will should arrive shortly. If not, you will check your transaction status via Etherscan using your wallet address. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.